Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 6th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 11th. Now, the max OI level is the same for CE but decreased for PE, which is negative. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for CE, that's positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is still significantly below 1. It's actually even lower than last week. That's a big negative. Implied volatility is higher, that's negative. Historical volatility is lower, that's a positive. RSI is lower, that's negative. No divergence, that's positive. ADX is higher, that's positive. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. Candlestick is bearish, and that's negative. The new support is 230. Previous week's support is 250. Resistance is still the same, 270. Overall, the prediction is that Tesla goes up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.